How to change the language in Temu. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the language in the Temu app. It's a simple process, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Temu app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom center of the screen. And here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you will be redirected to the settings section. From here, simply tap on option labeled as language. And here you would see a list of language provided to you. So simply select the language that you want to change. And once you have selected it, the Temu app will be updated automatically with that language. And that's it. That's how you can change the language in Temu app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.